In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off safe search on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and you need to head over to Settings. After that, tap right here to go to Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap right here at a Store Web, Siri and Game Center Content. Here we need to check two options, and the first one is Web Content. The default setting here is unrestricted, and if it is selected, it means dead. Safe search for the web content is currently turned off. However, if some of these options are selected, then you just need to select unrestricted here. And also at this page, we need to check web search condom in the same way. Here the default option is allow, and if it is set to .allow, just switch it back to allow. To turn off safe search in the iPhone settings, however, also the browser you use may also have safe search in and now I'm going to show you how you can easily turn it off. To do that, I'm gonna use Safari. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, first off, oh my god. So, first off, if we open up Safari web browser, we need to head over to google.com. And here, once you are at google.com and once you have signed into your Gmail here, account, all you have to do is just stop your profile picture. And in this menu, you will find Safe Search. The default option here is blur, the middle one, and it helps us to blur explicit images. By explicit text and links may show. However, it is kind of limitation of web search. And if you would like to turn off say search completely, then just select off here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button